Hello children, today we are going to discuss about 4th standard SST subject Essay 1 model question paper with answer. Let's start. Okay. The first main is choose the correct options from the bracket. What you have to do here? Here 10 questions are there. How many questions? 10 questions are there. Okay. In bracket, 10 options are there. You have to choose right options or correct options and fill in this box. Let's start, children. First question. Spring equinox is also known as dash equinox. Means spring equinox ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೆಸರಿನಿಂದಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದದು? Spring equinox is also known as vernal equinox. Where is that answer? Vernal here. You have to mark one number and you have to fill the answer here. Second question. And dash is a book of different maps. Are you remember, children? What do you mean by atlas? Yes, atlas is the collection of different maps. Is it? Atlas. Where is that atlas? Yes. Third question. A person who makes maps is called a cartographer. Cartographer. 3. Fourth question. Our country, India, lies in dash. Our country, India, lies in south direction. Is it, children? 4th. Fifth question. The earth spins on its axis from west to east. Is it, children? The earth spins on its axis from west to east. That is called what? That movement is called rotation. Is it, children? The earth spins from here. The earth spins on its axis from west to east. This movement is called rotation. Is it, children? Okay. West to east. Number 5. Sixth question. An dash is the only source of water in a desert. An oasis. An oasis is the only source of water in a desert. Why? Because most of the desert or in all the desert there is a scarcity of water. Why? Why? Because desert experience little rainfall. Is it, children? Oasis. I will show the oasis picture also. Why? Because the desert experience less rainfall, little rainfall, and desert experience extreme hot. Because of these reasons, there is a scarcity of water. If we need a water or in oasis or in desert area, if we need a water, we have to take the water, or we have to take the collect the water from where? Where we have to collect? From oasis only. Say children, this is oasis in desert. Next, let's move next question. 7th question. Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest in 1984. It is there. Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest in 1984. See here, Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay were the first to climb Mount Everest in 1953. Okay, Bachendri Pal. Number 7. Next, 7th question. Sorry, 8th question. Dash are grown in the Middle Himalayas. Dash type of plants are grown in the Middle Himalayas. Rhododendrons. 8. Is the children? Next. 9th question. Madhya Pradesh is referred to as the dash. Madhya Pradesh is referred to as the heart of India. 8th. 10th question. Dash is the 3rd largest and the 2nd most populated state in India. India has 28 states. Is it? Among this, Maharashtra is the 3rd largest and the 2nd most populated state in India. Is it, children? 10th one. Next. Match the columns. Second main, match the columns. I will read first A part. Afterwards, I will read B part. Ajanta, Sanchi Stupa, Mawlin Mong, Naval Base, Supreme Court, Madhya Pradesh, New Delhi, Cave, cleanest village of Asia, Visakhapatnam. Which is the right option? Or okay, first question, Ajanta. Have you heard Ajanta, Ellora? Cave paintings. Where I have to match? Sanchi Stupa. Where I have to match? Sanchi Stupa. Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Madhya Pradesh. Mawlin Long. Mawlin Long is the cleanest village of Asia. Naval Base is situated in Visakhapatnam. Supreme Court is situated in New Delhi, which is the highest court. Supreme Court. At the national level, which is the highest court? Supreme Court. At state level, which is the highest court? High Court. Is it, children? Here, just now I told India's first naval base was established in Visakhapatnam, eastern coastal plains and western coast. Next, third main. Answer these questions. Okay. Question number 1. Name the popular dishes of Uttarakhand. What type of dishes or what are the special dishes of Uttarakhand state? What you have to write here? The special dishes of Uttarakhand. What are those? Kafuli, Fanha, Arsa and Gulgula are popular dishes of Uttarakhand. Second question. What is pass? Are you remember pass? When we are reading Northern Mountains lesson. Are you remember? A route through a mountain range is called a mountain pass. Pass means what, children? Show some examples. See here. Are you remember? The important mountain passes. Zojila, Changla, Rohtang Pass, Kardangla, Shipkila, Nathula. These are the important mountain passes. Is it, children? See here. This is the picture of pass. Rohtang Pass. Next question. Mention the 3 parallel ranges of the Himalayan range. Are you remember? The word Himalaya means water. The word Himalaya means abode of snow. Is it? The Himalayan range consists of 3 parallel ranges. What are those? One is the Greater Himalaya. The Greater Himalayas is also called as Himadri. Second one is the Middle or the Lesser Himalaya. This is also called Himachal. Third one is the Outer Himalayas. The Outer Himalayas is also called Shivalik. These are the 3 parallel ranges of the Himalayan range. Next, fourth question. What is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is an oblate sphere. Is it? Our earth is not exactly round, children. The shape of the earth is an oblate sphere. Fifth question. Why do we have continuous cycles of days and night? Why? Why? Because we have a continuous cycles of days and night because the earth keeps on rotating on its axis from west to east. Sixth question. How do people irrigate their lands in Rajasthan? With the help of Indira Gandhi Canal, tanks and wells. How do people irrigate their lands in Rajasthan? See here, Rajasthan includes Thar Desert. Are you remember? See here, the Thar Desert, sand dunes. This is the life of the people in desert area. Is it? Almost all the desert experience extreme hot climate as well as there is a scarcity of water. Why? Why? Because most of the desert experience less rainfall or scanty rainfall or return rainfall. Most of the desert experience less rainfall, little rainfall, scanty rainfall. Because of that reason, people use water from wells, tanks. People use water from wells and tanks to irrigate their lands. Some parts of Rajasthan are irrigated by the Indira Gandhi Canal. Yeah. Rajasthan receives very little rainfall. There is a acute shortage of water in the state. Here, people use water from wells and tanks to irrigate their lands. Some parts of Rajasthan are irrigated by the Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal is one of the biggest canal project in India. It starts from the river Satluj and ends near Jaisalmer. Next, seventh question. What are the major occupations of the people of Chhattisgarh? The major occupations of the people of Chhattisgarh include agriculture, handicrafts, poultry, farming and animal rearing. Eighth one. Seafood is the staple diet of the people of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Why? Why? Because seafood is easily available in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Therefore, it is a staple diet there. Ninth question. Write the three organs of the parliament. What are those? Three organs of the parliament are legislature, executive, judiciary. 10th question. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert and why? Camel is known as the sheep of the desert because it can move easily on the sand for a long time. They have padded feet and store in their hump. Camel is known as the sheep of the desert, or which animal is known as the sheep of the desert and why? Camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Why? Because it can live without water. Means camel can live without water for many days. Camel can move easily on the sand. Why? Because of its padded feet. Camel has a padded feet. Because of this reason, camel can move easily on the sand. And it stores food in its hump. Camels are used as means of transport as they can run fast on sand, children. Can we run fast on sand? No. Only camel can run fast because of its padded feet. Because of this reason, or this is why the camel is called the sheep of the desert. Is it, children? See here. See here. Next. Identify the tree. Can I show the tree? Can I show the picture? The fourth main, picture study. In this main, I will give one picture here. Okay. I will display one picture here. You have to identify the picture and you have to write that picture name or monument name, animal, bird, whatever. And where is it found? Now, the fourth main, picture study. Okay, children, in this picture study, what you have to do? I will give you one picture. You have to identify that picture or monument, tree, plant, animal, whatever. Okay. Now I will give you an example. Identify the tree. Which tree is this? It is a baobab tree. Are you remember? It is a baobab tree. We have learnt in landforms of the earth lesson. Second question. Where is it found? It is found in desert. Why? Because this baobab tree not needed much water. Is it? Fifth main, state whether these statements are true. T. If it is statements are wrong or false, you have to write it F. The first question is, the shape of the earth is a perfect sphere. Is it correct? No, false. As the earth's axis is tilted, the amount of sunlight received by different regions is the same everywhere. No way, false. Third question, a series of mountain is called an island. False. Why? Because a series of mountain is called range. Fourth one, Kedarnath is in Uttarakhand. True. Fifth question, there are 3 river basins of the northern plains. Exactly true. One is Outer Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, and what is that? There are 3 river basins. One is Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, or Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. There are 3 basins of northern plains. Next, on a political map of India, circle the states where the following tourist spots are located. What you have to do here? You have to draw the India map here. And you have to draw the India map and label the places. Means, for example, Hemakunda Sahib, Ujjaintia Palace, Manali, and Pahalgam. Hemakunda Sahib, where we have to find this Hemakunda Sahib place? In which state? Shh. Okay, Ujjaintia Palace, Manali is a hill station, Pahalgam. Okay, we have 7th main, draw a neat labeled diagram of the inner structure of the earth. What you have to draw here? What you have to draw here? The inner structure of the earth. This diagram you have to draw here. The layers of the earth or the inner structure of the earth. You have to draw here the inner structure of the earth. Okay, the question answers are completed now. I will show all the question answers in briefly. I will show briefly. Here I given 10 questions, but you have to attend only 8. Thank you. Have a good day.